What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy. You already know who it is, man. Today is a video I have postponed doing for a long time. Mostly because I feel like I'm giving up on myself, but I know it's for the betterment of my health, so I'm doing it anyway. I haven't posted a video on the channel in about 2 to 3 months. I've got a bunch of bad news from my MRIs and x-rays and stuff like that. So I feel like my doctor's been telling me to stop working out, or at least take it easier in the gym. But I'm just scared of fucking shit up more, that I just completely stop once I got my results. So and the results are, I have nerve damage on my right hand. I have 2 tears in my left shoulder, 1 tear on my right shoulder, and then I'm still waiting to get seen for my foot, which is crazy, but the VA, fuck them. Thank you, but fuck you at the same time. So that's what I'm dealing with. I recently just spoke to my surgeon, whoever's supposed to cut into my hand, a week ago. And it reminded me that I never told you guys that I wasn't gonna be working out for a long time. So I decided to just suck it up, make the video. I just feel like making the video is solidifying the fact that I haven't been in the gym for 3 months. I still weigh the same, for those that give a fuck. I still weigh 200 pounds. So it wasn't like I was still crazy bulking or crazy cutting. I was just maintaining my weight and trying new ways to get my body to the way I looked. My knees are still shot, if you're still wondering. I always did consider going back to just doing leg days, but then it's like I'll be paying $100 a month to go work out my legs, but I can't do legs every fucking day. So it's like the math didn't math enough for me to even look into this shit. So I don't know when I'm coming back to the gym. So I'm really just gonna put a pause on the account. This channel, I'm still making content on my other channel, Surfills TV. If you don't know, now you know, you dig. So that's literally it. It ain't nothing crazy. It's just, your boy's been crippled. Everybody knew that. Your boy's been had problems with his body. Everybody knew that. Deployment took a toll on me. But yeah, so I'm just taking it slow, focusing on myself. And I've been doing a lot of physical therapy, been doing that. But I started red light therapy. I started acupuncture. I started cupping therapy. I started some Chinese heat therapy. I've been doing a lot of shit to try to get myself back at 100%. So that's why, like, right before I got off posting frequently, I was like, make sure y'all stretch, because your boy never stretched. And I played football and track and then joined the military. So it's not even a good combo at all. So if you're working out, you see this video, make sure you take care of your body, bro. I loved working out. I genuinely enjoyed working out. And I feel like that's why I was able to post so frequently. But now that I haven't been able to work out so often, I feel like I lost myself a little bit. I'd have to tell my girl, bro, I need a gym session. But there's no logical sense in going to hurt myself some more while they're trying to fix me. So I just be like, pipe down, brother, you be all right, just chill out. So now I've replaced the gym with riding my bike more. Hurts the fuck out of my right hand because that's the throttle hand. But pause for the faggotrons that's gonna think something's going on with that hand. But it's just, I've been riding more, trying to enjoy life through that. I've been trying to focus on my emotional, mental health. I've been therapist. I've been seeing her a lot more. I have breakdowns and shit to call her. It's just a bunch of shit going on, man. I'm gonna just let y'all know that. So I know it's like I had like a decent following of people that fucked with me and would be there for every video, especially like videos I really needed y'all to be there for, because I was trying to build a personal brand while sharing my progress through the gym and shit. So I've been thinking like the video, don't worry about it. But it's like I've been postponing it because I didn't want to talk about like, why. Because I feel like in some way, shape, or form, it's still an excuse. But it's like, you still got to take care of your body. You only get one of these bitches. So replacement for the gym right now is really, I do yoga at least twice a week by myself, YouTube, carpet, and making it twerk. So if y'all want to see that shit instead, I'll do it, but it's been really locked in. Actually, I don't even think I made a video in this house. I didn't. So I actually bought my first home, by the way. For those that give a fuck, I'm in my first home, new office, actual house, still only 22, turned 21 last month or 2 months ago. Damn, it's been a while since I've been in the gym. Well, I turned 22 2 months ago. Got my first home at 21, and I forgot to even tell y'all that. That's crazy. I'm sorry. For real, if y'all want to keep up with me, just fuck with me on Instagram. I'm more active on Instagram now. I've heard TikTok is going away, so I haven't been as active as I used to be on TikTok. So I'm just trying to focus and put all my eggs in YouTube and Instagram. So as far as YouTube goes, I'm going to be focused on my main channel, Surfills TV. Check me out if you want to. It's a bunch of reactions, a bunch of sit down shit. It's a lot more fun focused. You know what I mean? I do reactions, all that shit. I do motor vlogging, fake racing videos. I have a editing team that shows GTA type videos that's not real at all. I don't know what else. I just do a bunch of cool shit like riding horses, all that. I do all that on that channel. So if you want to just still be in your boy's life and know what the fuck going on here and there, check me out on that channel. But if you want to stay here and y'all want to give me advice or what y'all think I should do, since this is not a gym channel anymore, I can make it a gaming channel, or I can just kill that boy and focus on all that on my main channel, which is doing pretty good. I'm gonna just let y'all know that. Go check it out. The content's content for the folks that enjoy that type of content. But it's pretty much it. I wish all my day ones luck. If you gonna fuck with me and fuck with me on the other channels and the other platforms, I'm welcoming it. I'll say what's up when I see your name. I know most of my people personally. Without further ado, I guess if you're gonna like, comment, subscribe, do it on the new channel, because I don't know what I'm doing with this. But that's pretty much it. Stay positive, stay motivated. I'm gonna catch y'all. Can't even say it no more, man. It's sad, bro. But hopefully I'll be able to get back in the gym at some point. But I'll catch y'all when I catch y'all. That's crazy to say because I feel like I'm just ending what I like doing. But that was fucking hard, bro. Peace.